Have you ever wondered how a vacuum cleaner grabs all those tiny bits off your floor? Inside, there's a powerful fan spinning super fast. This fan pushes air out, which makes the air pressure inside the vacuum drop. Air from the room rushes in to fill that gap, carrying dust and dirt along with it. The dust gets trapped in a bag or container, while the air escapes through a filter. It's like when you sip a drink through a straw, the liquid moves up because you're lowering the pressure inside the straw. That's the science behind a vacuum's suction power.